Hello, everyone.
Oh shit! Oh, he's sweet. Fuck.
Within just a few minutes, the floodwaters snapped the mooring lines and swept the two sightseeing boats, Valentino and Valentina, beneath the arches of the Gran Madre Bridge. Deliberately sinking the ocean wind transformed an old tugboat into a meaningful artificial reef, instead of letting it become forgotten scrap metal.
Nguyên đồ luôn. Bốn con luôn.
Weiter! Jetzt denn das nächste! Whoa. Whoa, doing a roundup. Whoa, big roundup.
Credit has to go to the crew. Their calmness and quick response helped keep the situation under control and prevented the incident from becoming even more serious.
Oh shit.
Best happy hour ever.
That's better than you did the first time.
Oh! Oh my God! Oh my! Oh my God! Oh my God! Go!
They can't. They have to wait. We got one out. They're good.
A collision occurred between two boats near Don Francisco and Sajuda on the Ucayali River. Thankfully, some of the passengers on board suffered only minor injuries.
Stackars lilla lina. Hej då.
It's hard to believe that a single damaged rudder shaft could cause an entire yacht to sink to the bottom of the Pacific Ocean so quickly.
Ja, det är... Nej. Oj, vad hon försvann. Borta.
An offshore test near Mumbai quickly turned chaotic when an Indian Navy high-speed vessel lost control. Even boats that seem incredibly sturdy can still be pushed around and thrown off balance by the power of the ocean.
Hostia. Va a tomar por culo, chaval. Joder.
A computer malfunction caused the steering system to become uncontrollable, leading the super yacht Go to suffer a serious accident.
Get in the concrete now. What's going on?
The Super Cat high-speed ferry from Ormoc collided with a cargo vessel while traveling near the first Mactan-Cebu Bridge in the Mactan Channel. Heading straight into an iceberg was definitely not a smart decision. A poorly planned transport operation caused the expensive Manitou vessel to sink. Moran's timely arrival turned a potential disaster into an impressive rescue. A responsible captain will always stay alert, slow down when necessary, and respect every other vessel sharing the water.
ओ तेरी थे मार दिया है दे
Clearly, navigating a crowded river requires more focus than speed. Fortunately, no one was injured in this collision.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, he's doing it! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Brad, hang on. Ah! Oh my gosh! You think they're D-R-U-N-K?
Don't let the appearance of elephant seals fool you. They can move much faster than you might think.
Wow.
It ain't even a foot tall. Nice, yeah.
That's why you should never jump into the water in an unfamiliar area.
Let's give it up for those gold sponsors, everybody, the gold. Don't forget now, this is a Waterman's Association event, so everything we're doing today is going to the Waterman's Association to help everything that goes on. They do so much work in this community and all of them, so for the captains and all. All right, I think 26 seconds time to beat. Here comes Derek Hoy on the crusher, ladies and gentlemen. Get your phones out, watch this go. Don't forget that all videos, if you don't share them with us, will be deleted when you walk out the gate. We got a little thing that I'm just kidding.
Sterling
Just because you can afford to buy a boat doesn't mean you should buy it.
All that on video.
A massive 332-meter-long ship sank off Zhejiang Province, China, on August 7th. Have you ever tried it? Let everyone know in the comments below.
Here he is! Look at this thing! Oh my goodness!
Drunk driving is already a stupid idea, but doing it next to the USS Midway is a whole different story.
Just got that on video.
That's crazy.
Slow down, go back! Oh my god.
This was his 10th boating collision of the same day, and eventually, it ended with charges for operating a boat while intoxicated.
It's not moving now. That's what we said. Turn it off, buddy.
Whoa, that's the end of that. Still got a strap on it, hasn't it? Whoa.
This is why you should never hand the throttle over to a beginner. It would be quite an experience if you forgot to tie your kayak to the trailer.
Wait! Come on! No way!
Still running. Oh gosh, and he's not even in the boat. These are some of our channel viewers here. My brand new Yamahas on the Robalo. Hey! Yeah, obviously they don't know. Stand up and wave. Stand up and wave. I'm working.
Yeah, he's gonna stop. It's gonna be too late though. He's gonna be replacing his water pump.
Well, if he's one of the viewers, then he sees all the time.
Oh my gosh, bro, I tried to look out for you, bro.
Bro, I was trying to look out for you. He's like, oh my gosh.
This boat completely skipped the docking process and chose a much quicker destination instead. A good friend will never leave you hanging. But first, they have to have a good laugh.
He has become part of the boat. Oh, he's got the gaff. Get.
Do you have any doubts about this guy's boat handling skills? I certainly do.
I wonder if you're too fat for stuff. It seems pretty cool. Like, sometimes I sit and wonder, I'm like, it's probably not something I could do, you know, kind of a bigger dude. Yeah, this is kind of one of them moments. I'm sitting in the creek and my kayak just sunk. I thought I was making a heck of a rip behind me. No, that was the sound of the water pouring in. So I'm sitting in. I'm gonna climb out of here and we'll get this kayak back where.
I can see close. I can see. Yeah. Oh God.
Got him loose. He got out.
In your opinion, how many people would it take to destroy a boat? This is exactly the worst possible way to test the power of a waterspout. It looks like the captain may have dozed off, because this boat is still following its own wake.
Wake up!
On April 6, 2020, the container ship Milano Bridge collided with a gantry crane and the container ship C-span at the port of Busan. It was quite a mess, but fortunately, no one was injured in the incident.
One of the most breathtaking sights.
Did you know that a large mobile crane can lift around 220,000 pounds? But even a slight imbalance can cause it to tip over.
والله عرفت ودي شغلتك عليه